How to fix Messenger not sending messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger not sending messages. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with a step 1. That is to check the internet connection. So here, make sure that you have stable internet connection, or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can even turn airplane mode on and off as well. And it will help you to make sure that your internet is stable, because weak internet is the most common cause for Messenger for not sending the messages. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to restart Messenger and phone. So here what you can do is completely close your app on your phone, and now here once you're done with that, you can simply restart your phone. And once you're done restarting, you can again open the Messenger app and try sending the message. And with that, moving forward to the step number 3, that is to clear the Messenger cache. So here simply long press on the Messenger app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings page, what you can do is just tap on the clear cache or clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, this will fix temporary app glitches through which message won't be deleted. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to check that if you are blocked or restricted. So here you can simply open a chat, and here if you open a chat and there it says sending, the other person may have blocked you, restricted you, or deactivated the account. In this case, messages cannot be delivered. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update the Messenger. So here simply open the Play Store on your phone, and now here once you are inside the Play Store, you can simply search for the Messenger app. And now here, if you found any update button available, then you can just tap on it to update Messenger to the latest version, because the old version can often cause the sending errors. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to turn off the VPN. So here, if you have enabled any VPN on your phone, then you can simply disable it, because this can block Messenger background accesses. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So if you're still having the trouble sending messages on Messenger, then what you can do is simply uninstall the app, and after that you can simply reinstall from the Facebook and log in and test the message sending again. And that's it. That's how you can fix Messenger not sending messages. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.